Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have an exciting topic lined up for you. We're going to dive further into ChatGPT on how to upload and interact with PDF and Word document files in ChatGPT for free. Alright guys, this is your lucky day because I'm about to share a free ChatGPT plugin with you that you had no idea could change your life. So grab a seat, grab some popcorn, and let's get started. First, here's how ChatGPT looks like once you log in after creating an account. To use the extension, we will download the plugin created by Automate My Life. Here is their YouTube channel. As you can see, they have about 18.5k subscribers. You can also donate to their channel using PayPal and or subscribe to their channel for more interesting content. Now let's navigate to the Chrome Web Store, and here you can search for ChatGPT file uploader, which should look something like this. But don't worry, I know sometimes searching for a plugin can be like finding a needle in a haystack. But fear not, I'll drop a link in the description below so you can get there faster than the speed of light. Once you have found the plugin, simply click on Add to Chrome and voila, you're one step closer to PDF and Word interactions with ChatGPT. Once you have installed the plugin successfully, you'll get this notification that you can manage your extensions by clicking the extension in the Tools menu. Now, go back to ChatGPT and hit the refresh button. And there you have it. The option to submit a file now appears highlighted in green below. Click on it, and you'll be able to upload both Word documents and PDF files that you can then use to interact with ChatGPT. We shall now check my files and upload this Word document. As you can see, it has now been added to the chat. Here, you can simply ask ChatGPT to, for example, summarize the Word document in 5 sentences. And as you can see, you quickly get a response. This feature allows you to interact with any Word or PDF document you upload to get insights, conclusions, and recommendations. Isn't AI just amazing? But wait, there's more. As a bonus, I'll show you another free plugin that you can use to allow web access to ChatGPT. For this, navigate back to the Chrome Web Store and search for WebChat GPT. You should see this plugin, WebChat GPT, ChatGPT with internet access. Again, don't worry, I will add a link to the description below for easy access. And on that note, a sub to the channel would be fantastic. Next, click on Add to Chrome. Once you have installed the plugin, you should be automatically navigated back to ChatGPT, and just like that, you can see you now have web access to ChatGPT. Now, if you enter a prompt, ChatGPT will now give you real-time data on its feedback. Thank you once again for joining us on this plugin tutorial. Remember to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Until next time, stay curious, stay awesome, and keep exploring the digital wonders of the world.